morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. We are obviously in a very different location because I am starting a late work shift and I am just grabbing breakfast, having a nice slow morning. I'm at one of my favorite places, Ambreous, and I just love their lattes. Might grab some eggs just to have a clean, healthy breakfast. But yeah, we're gonna just get started with the day, and then hopefully I'll go for my run. And then I start a really late shift until 9 p.m. today. So pray for me, guys. That my mom got me this little ring. Thank you. No, all good. She got me this little ring yesterday, and she was just in the holiday shops. Like, they're not officially open, but we met up at Bryant Park, and she ended up buying herself a necklace, and she's like, I really want to buy you something. And I was like, okay. So I was looking around, and I picked this one, and I didn't know that this was citrine. I always thought citrine was more orange, but then the woman who made the ring was saying that this is a money ring. So we'll see. Once I get the shop's name, I'll go ahead and add it, because if you're visiting, New York in the holiday season, it's so nice to go to the holiday shops in Bryant Park. I just picked up these low budget earphones, but I think that they're going to be pretty good quality for what they are. I just needed something to mix my music and to record without leak, so these of course will be the closed back headphones. Needed something like this because mine are destroyed, so needed to get something really quickly, and I'll let you know how it goes. Well, you guys will let me know when you hear my music. Spooky season's upon us. I know not everybody loves the winter time and how it gets dark so fast, but that's my personal favorite aspect. I just get to be at home or in a cozy spot with a lot of dim lights. It just feels right. Good morning. We have been feeling a little low energy, so we're going for a reset at Bathhouse. Let's grab our slipper. I think I'm gonna grab a medium because I like a little roominess. I bought my book with me and a water bottle. Chose a locker 13 because that's my favorite number, lucky number. Everything's away. Gotta throw my phone in here. This is the last time you'll see me until I am refreshed. Do I look more rejuvenated? I was just telling Rashid, I was like, you know what? I would rather save costly dinner and just put that money towards and forget shoes and forget clothes or whatever. Just put that towards experiences. That's like my type of vibe. I'd rather travel. I'd rather go to the spa. Like, stuff like that matters way more to me. Good morning, everybody. It's so funny. I kind of look like a floating head because of my jacket, but it is what it is, and all of my brown furniture. But I am about to head out. I do have a package right next to me. Obviously, my voice is coming down with something, but I have a package next to me that I wanted to share with you guys. I've been waiting for this to arrive, and it's such a really cool piece that I've been meaning to add to my collection, and it is from Atorie. So I just want to unbox it with you guys and show it to you because I feel like it might be a really helpful piece, and I'm super excited for it. So let's do that. As you can see, it's really big, and in all honesty, I have been needing like a nice large personal bag, and they had this on their website. This is what I have picked up. It is their hand tote. It is vegetable dyed. There isn't like much of a name to it other than a vegetable dyed leather tote, which is everything that it is, and it smells so good. Like, it smells that like new leather type of look. It has the turn lock key aspect to it. This one is in the size 35. And if anything, I will go ahead, of course, and link everything below. And it has so much space on the inside. Wait, this is actually pretty difficult to open. It's like sturdy difficult, not like, hard, like it's not going to work. But it has so much space on the inside, and then there's like an extra, of course, zipper pouch for, your quick small grabs or like go-tos. And then there's like an extra There's an extra strap here, which I think could be very useful because little baby forearms will not hold something like this when you fill it up. Like, trust me, I know, because I've been the type of person to be like, I'll just carry it, I'll just do it on my own, and it feels really heavy, and then like you wake up with like a bruise or a sore feeling and you're like, what the hell is this? So it's really nice. They give you this shoulder strap, which is also 100% leather. Like, the buckles feel very sturdy and heavy. Oh, and that looks really cool. It has a very studious look with the strap on, but it's also just going to be very helpful. This is the bag, pretty much closed. It's like really slouchy, but then there's some structure on the sides right here. Has the feet. I think it's going to fit a whole bunch. It's going to make my life a lot easier. I can tell it's very sturdy. I'm going to fill it up because I have a busy work day today. I'm going to grab my book, my laptop, all that great stuff, and I know I'm going to have so much space, which is kind of a really great feeling, and we're going to head out. Hello. Today's a really rainy day in New York, and it's a perfect day for like a stew or soup or something really, really warm. And Rashid's mom used to make us this delicious like Bengali stew. It's called Ghuru Mangsho. My pronunciation is, but I miss it. And she actually gave me the recipe, and I watched her make it, and I never attempted to make it. But I finally got the courage to cook because I'm not much of a chef. And I just picked up a new pot, pretty much the mini version of what she used to do, because she would make like a huge serving. And I am going to attempt to make it, and I guess we're gonna make it together and see how it comes out. And I wanted to surprise Rashid with it, so let's see. I don't know why I always do this, but I always forget to end the video properly. But I want to tell you guys that the beef actually came out so good, and I was so surprised. So if you want to try out that recipe, let me know how it works for you. I really want to thank you for spending your time with me, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Ciao!